I'm an EV girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life of Sid. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Wait, let's do that again. Welcome back to Vlogmas. Day 9, guys. We are on day 9. Yes, I threw on this cozy outfit. I think this is my second time wearing it. Super cozy. I think I'm going to go try to find another one. Remember, this is the Teddy outfit that I got from American Eagle. So I think I'm going to go try to get me another one today before they sell out. I don't want to order it. I want to go to the store and get it because I do want to go try on the extra small pants to see how they fit. But, you know, I got a lot of catching up to do, a lot of housework. When I tell you, my room is a mess, my closet is a mess, and I just have a lot going on, like trying to get back in the groove of things after vacation. So today, like I said, I'm just going to be probably cleaning all day today, and definitely my closet, number one, and then tomorrow I may clean my bedroom. I don't know, maybe my bedroom, because you know your bedroom got to be clean. That's your sanctuary, so I probably clean that first. But right now I'm about to go do my weekend errands, grab something to eat, and yeah, I think that's about it. Nothing is coming to me right off the top of my head. Oh, but I wanted to tell y'all, I did gain some weight. So I gained like 4 pounds, which is not too bad. I know a lot of it is probably water weight, like from fluids, drinking soda and stuff like that. So I should be able to shed that off in no time. I will get back to my clean eating probably on Monday. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this weekend. I don't have big plans, but I am going to start my Christmas shopping, so I probably will take you guys with me for that. And probably when I clean up my closet, I'll, you know, chit chat with y'all, clean up my closet. So I am thinking about trying to get my closet and my bedroom done today. So maybe I'll do my closet while babe's at work, do the room when he get home. We could do it together. So we're gonna run errands and get into a few other things, maybe a little bit of Christmas shopping. So let's go. Hey y'all, of course y'all see it is the next day and I am at Tesla dealership because we purchased a new car and delivery day is today, so we're here to pick it up. See, everything goes well. Tesla is a pretty different system, like the way how they go about you ordering your car and picking it up. So we're here now. We did everything online, and today is pickup day. We have a 4 o'clock appointment, and we're here. So it's an early Christmas gift. Can't wait to show you. Hold this, babe. I'll put some lipstick. Still recording. I think I got some lip gloss in here.
Okay, perfect. So,
let me use that.
there. It's all going to be registration paperwork. Hello, welcome in.
Hello.
Good, good. So you got the mother.
Yes.
Put it up on the gram, you know.
Yeah.
We picking up a car today?
Yes, we
Awesome.
are.
Under what name?
White.
Perfect. All right. I think I already did everything on the app. It's
Yes.
easy for me.
Yeah.
I need it.
All right, sounds good.
So in that case, what I'm gonna do is right now I'm just waiting on the same thing as I told that other guy earlier. Just waiting on them to put the temporary plate on the car for you.
Okay.
Once they get that done, I'm gonna send you guys a text, and you're basically all good to go right to the car itself.
Oh, okay.
The car's already here, and it's currently sitting at the very back of the lot where all the delivery cars are at. Once they have it done, keys will be in there, registration will be in there, temporary plate will be in there. You guys are just all good to go. Use your app and just drive on.
Oh, wow.
That's it.
That's
That quick.
so
Don't
quick
ever
and
come back
easy.
here.
No, not at all. Unless you want to say hi.
Thank you.
On to the back then.
Yeah.
Yeah, so as of right now, I'll send
Okay.
you a text once it's ready.
Okay.
Go.
All right, thank you.
Here, like the water. You could do it right here. Are you looking to get the mobile connector or the wall?
Well, we want the mobile today. The wall connector we probably just ordered because we're gonna wait until we get the appointment for somebody to install it.
Okay, because I know when I checked earlier, the wall connector they don't have, the mobile they do.
Okay,
So
yeah.
service will actually be right in the customer lounge too. As soon as you go in there, just go straight down a little bit more past the bathrooms, and then you'll see them to your right.
Okay.
You just let them know, they'll be able to
That-
sell it to you if you need it.
All right, thank you. Let's go. Pick up our new toy.
Comes in this nice carrying case.
Nice.
So it comes in this nice carrying case. So this is the 1450 adapter. Plugs into like a 4-prong outlet for like utilities. This will get you almost as fast as a charge as a wall connector will.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like a tiny little bit, fractionally slower than a wall connector.
Okay.
So if you have one of these outlets,
I have
honestly,
one of those,
you're
Yeah, we have.
you're set. There's no need to spend the $500 plus the installation of the home charger if you have a plug like this, honestly.
Oh, okay.
This is one that's a little bit more versatile. Could plug into anywhere, even into my desk right here. Nice little 3-prong outlet. This will give you about 5 to 6 miles per hour, but it's handy in a pinch.
Okay, right.
This goes in here,
Okay.
and then obviously this goes into the car.
Right.
And when you're putting them in and out, there's nothing to click or anything. They just take a little bit of force to pull out and to put back in.
Okay. I like that it come in a little bag.
Yeah, absolutely keeps it nice. And what you'll realize is the 20-foot cord. So once you have it unbundled,
It's a
little
lot.
fun trying to get it back in. But it
works pretty
difficult
well.
as you might think.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't have the patience to roll it up all nicely.
Right.
But I always manage to get it back in the back.
Oh, okay.
Your phone key, and your card will automatically adjust to you.
I'm an EV girl. Look at this spoiler, babe. I didn't know we was getting this.
Yeah.
This is why you wanted to get the performance one?
No.
Got the black wheels. We upgraded. It's open? Was dust?
Yeah, I know it's there, but it's weird.
He said the keys were gonna be in the inside? Oh, I see the keys, the registration and everything. Can I get inside? 'Cause I'm
I thought you was
cold.
getting in over there, baby.
No, you could drive. Okay. Okay, guys, I know this is a random pop-in, but after we picked up the car and picked the camera back up, because my phone was dying and I was in an unfamiliar area where we picked up the Tesla. So I just was focusing on the road and getting to an Apple store to get me a charger. Because remember I told y'all, my G-Wagon is in the shop. So I'm at Mercedes now, and they said my fuel pump came in. It was my fuel pump. Something happened to my fuel pump. I don't know. But I'm getting a new fuel pump installed. They're giving me a loaner now, and I'm on my way to the gift shop because I have to work today. So I'm going to try to pick up the camera as much as I can so I can close out this vlog. This vlog is a little all over the place, but I just want to get it out to you guys because, you know, my videos are behind for Vlogmas. So I'm going to try to have this uploaded tonight and out, and hopefully I can get back on schedule. I do have an unboxing for you guys. Hopefully I can get that out tomorrow. Yeah, so that's just about it. But I'm gonna check in with you guys before I close out this vlog. Just waiting for them to bring my loaner around. They're bringing me a E-Class, so we're gonna check that out. And yeah, that's about it. So that's all I've been doing for Vlogmas, is dealing with this car situation. All right, thank you. So yeah, I never had an E-Class or drove an E-Class before, so this is an experience for me. So I will check in with you guys once they check me into the car. Okay, so this is the loaner that they gave me. They must know I love white. And it is a E350. It has a Mercedes of Atlantic City advertised on it. So let's check it out. I'm running late. So heated seats. It's fully loaded, so it's gonna have to do. Just my seats and my mirrors. Not too shabby. Just cute. I have to remember how much gas is in here because when I bring it back, I have to put gas back in here. So all right, so I'm running late because, of course, I dropped my car off yesterday before I went to go pick up the Tesla, and they were supposed to call me back to let me know if I was getting a loaner. They never called me back. Then I had to call here at 8 o'clock this morning. I've been calling, and they didn't call me back until like 8:40. This one pull you all the way back. They didn't call me back till like 8:40, and luckily it's not too far from my house for me to pick it up. And now I got to get to the store because I'm running late because I'm supposed to open at 9 o'clock, and it's probably 9 o'clock now. I don't have a charging mount. I don't have, oh, this has wireless charging, but I don't even have nothing to hold my phone. So I'll just talk to y'all when I get to the store.